Have you ever wondered how a digital inspection workflow can save you time and money? I'm Jacob Garland, Chief Technology Officer at Pointivo. Digital transformation isn't just a buzzword, it's a reality that for many is streamlining communication and processes. It's providing real-time access to data, and it's saving people the most valuable resource, their time. It sounds great, but let's talk about a few real-world examples. Let's say you're a contractor, and maybe producing bids is one of the most frustrating parts of your business. It's always somewhat of a gamble. You can spend a ton of time and effort up front and have a really accurate bid only to not be awarded the work. Digital inspection workflows provide the most information with the minimal amount of effort. And that allows you to focus on what matters, getting new bids and growing revenue by doing more work. Crew efficiency is another huge benefit. Studies show that digital inspection workflows can cut inspection time in the field by up to 50% compared to traditional methods. A digital twin gives you a clearer picture of the site before deploying people and equipment. The high-res imagery from a drone can reduce the need for equipment like scaffolding and lifts and cranes. It can help target the right people to the right job and even give them a precise map of the location of each of those issues. Really, all of this just means that the time that your crews are spending on the site is more efficient. Digital inspection workflows can also help prevent unnecessary truck rolls to the site because you missed something or you forgot to take a measurement. You can just teleport back to that location using the digital twin. And we didn't even get into the downstream benefits of a digital twin like identifying trends or preventative maintenance and so on. So, are you ready to embrace the future of inspection? Until next time, I'm Jacob Garland with Pointivo. Onward and upward. Have an amazing day.